Hey guys, JB here from Alpha Wolf Consulting, coming to you today with the next session in the Alpha Wolf Guide to Psychological Engineering. So yesterday we were understanding how to use beliefs to override our environment or to override our current state of being. And now we're going to jump on and start understanding manifestation. So we're going to understand manifestation in the context of psychological engineering. Do you sort of get it? So let's say I wanted to manifest love into my life. I could sit there and I could say, here are 3 conditions. If these 3 conditions are met, I will allow myself to feel love. Condition 1 could be someone in my life loves me. Condition 2 could be I have friends in my life that love me. Condition 3, I have family that loves me. If I have these 3 conditions, I'm allowed to feel love every day of the week. Now, you could think that sounds reasonable. That sounds like a very good idea, but you'd be dead fucking wrong. Do you sort of get it? Because unless someone loves you, unless your family love you, unless your friends love you, you will never know what true love feels like. Do you sort of get it? So we remove the conditions, and instead of saying because of a condition love is the outcome, we now say because of love the condition is the outcome. Do you get it? My family is never gonna love me if I'm a cunt to them. Partner's never going to love me if I'm unable to love myself. Friends aren't going to love me if I don't love being around them. Do you sort of get it? Like, the condition that you seek is not the action, it is the outcome. So should I want love in my relationship? If every day I show up and I'm in a state of love, I love to be with this person, I love to be with myself, I love to be in this day. Do you sort of get it? Like, I am broadcasting a frequency of love. So we understand manifestation has 3 aspects, or 3 dimensions. Thought, okay, my belief, and my energetic state. Okay, so my conscious mind, my unconscious mind, and my heart frequency. My conscious mind and my unconscious mind are what construct my reality, or what I seek in life, be it love, be it joy, happiness, success, wealth, whatever it is. And my heart is the electromagnetic generator that pulls and aligns it to me. So when we're understanding frequency alignment, okay, I am aligning to, like, I will tell you mine. I am one of the greatest minds in human history. Within the next 100 years, you will know this to be true. Do you sort of get it? Because this is what I am manifesting. I am not trying to think and be the best mind in the world. I am connecting to the frequency that all the greatest human beings in life have ever attained. Do you sort of get it? You may look at Jesus and see a man. I look at Jesus and see a man who embodied a very specific frequency. A frequency I can hold within myself. And I will achieve that frequency by the end of my days. Do you sort of get it? Might not be able to perform miracles like Jesus. Might not be able to raise myself from the dead. Might not be able to walk on water, but I can help people. I can heal people. I can help people stop hating each other. Do you sort of get it? Like, realize what Jesus actually stood for. So we're understanding. I am aligning to a frequency, and in my alignment to that frequency, do I unlock the knowledge? Do I unlock the emotional states? Do you sort of get it? Do I unlock the potential of the future? It is not about the actions I do, it is about the alignment of those actions to the frequency that I seek. Do you sort of get it? So as we start to understand this, okay, when I am, for example, right now, I am creating my Alpha Wolf guide to psychological engineering that is, in essence, going to be a textbook. Do you sort of get it? It's more than likely going to be between 280 pages and about 500 pages of very specific, detailed information. Information that other people don't have. Do you sort of get it? Like, understand this. Because I am not trying to create this. I am connecting to the reality where it has already been created, and I am memorizing or remembering every aspect or dimension of that. So the more I visualize and focus on what I am seeking, the more I align to the feeling, the clearer the clarity is between my action and my outcome. Do you sort of get it? Like, the condition is not the outcome. Do you sort of get it? I'm not seeking the condition for you to recognize me as the greatest mind in the world. I have already recognized myself as the greatest mind in the world. Do you sort of get it? I have already raised my potential and standard to that level. Should I hold that potential and standard within myself, I will be at the level of the greatest humans that have ever lived. Like, you just got to understand that. If I force myself to run a 15.5 on a beep test, like, I have the endurance and stamina of special forces. Do you sort of get it? Doesn't mean I'm as good as them. Do you sort of get it? But if in every action I do, I align to their standard, I am one of them. Do you sort of get it? I don't have to be in their group. I don't have to be a part of the SAS or the commandos. Do you sort of get it? But if I, in my mind and in my body, embody every standard that they hold, you better believe it. On the battlefield, I will rival and equal them. Do you sort of get it? Like, they may have more tactical training. They may have more experience in combat. But every aspect of my dimension of self, or my internal identity of self, is aligned to very specific standards that they hold. Do you sort of get it? So just understand that I am aligning. So for example, for me, to be one of the greatest minds in the world, well, I have to do things outside of my own self-interest. So rather than me focusing on hoarding information, I have to give information freely. Like, do you sort of get it? Rather than me trying to be the gatekeeper to knowledge, I have to become the beacon of knowledge. Like, do you sort of get it? Like, understand this. Like, we are aligning my thoughts to my frequency. Do you sort of get it? I'm not trying to be one of the greatest minds in the world by creating, so to speak, an exclusive knowledge basin that only the elites can get into. Do you sort of get it? That would make me a secret society, like the Masons, like the fucking Illuminati. Do you sort of get it? Like, they think that hoarding knowledge is power. Motherfucker, I don't need your knowledge. I can connect to the fucking people that created that knowledge. Do you get it? Quantum entanglement. Every dimension of reality is entangled in infinite ways. Like, everything. Me and you right now, our minds are entangled. Should I want, I can connect to your mind. Do you sort of get it? You may think it's yeah, go do some research into quantum physics and quantum entanglement and quantum mechanics. Look into consciousness, states of consciousness, and then understanding quantum consciousness. And then you will start to understand what I am talking about. But what you need to understand right now is that it is not about the achievement. It's about who you become to achieve it. You don't need to be perfect right now. You don't need to be the best right now. But if you dedicate yourself to a high standard, like, it is only a matter of time before you become the best, because every action compounds. Just like if I hold myself to a negative standard or a low standard, every action compounds in degradation. Like, do you sort of get it? Realize this, because it is not the actions I take, it is the sum total of the compounding of my consistent action that equals the miracle, that equals the manifestation. It is not that I am writing this book in psychological engineering. It's that every chapter I write compounds on the next, and at a certain point in time, that work will equal the sum total of the book. Do you sort of get it? Realize this. I'm not trying to control the process. I'm simply walking the journey and remembering, okay, what it felt like, this reality that I created. And then I'm focusing on my heart. And does my heart feel that way in every action? If the answer is yes, I am in alignment. If the answer is no, and I feel panicked by my actions, that I'm not going in the right way, that I'm not doing the right thing, like, think about it like this. If, like me, you have a very strong belief on stealing, that you do not steal, should I try and steal, I'm going to feel so fucking anxious within myself. Like, it doesn't feel good. I don't feel like, whoa, I got something for free. I feel like I'm doing something that goes against what I want and desire in this life. Do you sort of get it? Like, realize that. When we're talking about frequency alignment, frequency will tell me what are the right actions. Frequency will tell me what are the wrong actions. For example, okay, I trained and prepared my entire life for combat, for the military, to die in combat, to die protecting and serving people. Like, realize this. Like, me thinking about me going to war and killing people does not feel right. What feels right is me rejecting war and helping people. Do you get it? Like, just realize that. I can argue with my ego all I want and justify harming other people. But inside, my frequency, it's not, harming other people isn't aligned to what I want. You don't become one of the greatest minds in history by fucking killing millions. Like, it's not how it happens. Many egotistical people think that's how it happens. Do you sort of get it? All of the greats, the great generals, the great warriors, the great kings that went and conquered and all of this. Just realize this. We have lost so much culture in this world through war. We have lost civilizations because of hatred. Do you sort of get it? Just understand that to seek another's destruction is to seek to erase that other from being. That's not a good way to live. That's not a frequency of the greats. That's a very, very low frequency. So to all these greats of history, Alexander, Napoleon, you know what I mean? All of these great men, all the crusaders. Unfortunately, they thought their greatness existed at the end of a spear. They thought their greatness existed outside of mercy. They think their greatness was because of their strength. Like, realize this. The true greats in history, the ones that have truly influenced and impacted history, have chosen to benefit all of humanity, not just some. Do you sort of get it? Einstein benefited all of humanity. Mother Teresa benefited all of humanity. Like, do you get it? Great people benefit everyone because they understand the nature of reality. And that's psychological engineering, the power to manifest thought into reality.